Does your microwave look something like this? Today we're going to show you how to fix that. You will need the following items: lemon juice, a bowl, a rag, and a cup of hot water. First, pour the hot water into the bowl. Pour just about half of the cup if you're using a regular size cup. You can use a real lemon for this, but to save all the issues with seeds and cutting the lemon, I chose to go with just regular lemon juice today. Next, you'll want to go ahead and just add about 5 splashes of lemon juice to your bowl. You could add more if desired, but we're just going to add 5 for now. Next, you'll want to just go ahead and pop the solution in your microwave. You're going to set the timer for 3 minutes, and then after the 3 minutes is up, you're going to let it sit in the microwave for another 5 minutes. There we go, you're all set. Now it's time to just sit back and let the lemon juice do its work. Okay, once you've waited the 5 additional minutes after the 3 minutes, go ahead and remove the bowl. You can just set it down on your counter or put it in your sink. And then next you're going to take your rag or dishcloth and begin cleaning. You'll notice that now with the help of lemon juice, our microwave looks very clean and the dirt comes off very easily. So if this helped, please subscribe. Thank you.